Today we're diving into a showdown between two powerful communication tools, Intercom and Tidio. These tools are pivotal for businesses looking to enhance customer interaction and streamline communication. Now let's explore the 5 variables that will shape our comparison. Features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's go! Let's take a look at Intercom and Tidio's key features. Intercom features include robust messaging features. Intercom offers a wide range of messaging features, including live chat, email, and in-app messaging, providing a comprehensive communication platform for customer interactions. Customizable chatbots. Intercom allows users to create and customize chatbots to automate conversation, enhance user engagement, and streamline customer support processes. Unified customer data. Intercom provides a centralized view of customer data, enabling businesses to have a unified understanding of customer interactions across various channels. Integration capabilities. Intercom offers extensive integration capabilities, allowing seamless connections with other tools and platforms to enhance overall workflow and data exchange. Tidio's features include live chat and chatbots. Tidio, like Intercom, offers live chat and customizable chatbots, providing real-time communication and automated responses to website visitors. Pricing and affordability. Tidio is often praised for its competitive pricing, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses seeking live chat and customer support functionality. Visitor tracking. Tidio includes visitor tracking features allowing businesses to monitor user behavior on their website and gain insights into customer preferences and needs. User-friendly interface. Tidio is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for businesses of various sizes, particularly those looking for a straightforward live chat solution. Looking at pricing, only Tidio offers a true free version of their service. Tidio also offers 3 other tiers based on business size, which add additional features such as basic and advanced analytics and increased customer service availability. These tiers range from around $30 to $400 US. On the flip side, Intercom boasts a very similar pricing model to Tidio's, minus the free version. Their monthly subscription tiers start at around $39 US and increase to around $139 per month. The decision ultimately is up to your business's needs, but the main standout here is that Tidio includes a free option, while Intercom does not. In terms of user experience, both Intercom and Tidio provide intuitive interfaces. However, user preference may come into play here. Tidio's straightforward design might appeal to those who prefer simplicity, while Intercom's feature-rich interface might be preferred by businesses requiring a more comprehensive toolset. Intercom and Tidio offer distinct advantages and drawbacks in the realm of live chat and customer communication. Intercom excels with its robust messaging features, customizable chatbots, unified customer data, and extensive integration capabilities, providing a comprehensive communication platform. However, it tends to be on the higher end of pricing, potentially limiting accessibility for smaller businesses. On the other hand, Tidio stands out for its affordability, user-friendly interface, live chat, chatbot capabilities, and visitor tracking features, making it a cost-effective solution with a straightforward setup. While Intercom provides customization, Tidio is praised for its simplicity and competitive pricing, catering to businesses seeking a more accessible live chat solution. Numerous alternatives exist to Intercom and Tidio for customer messaging platforms. Some notable options include Zoho, Crisp, Twilio Messaging X, Drift Conversation Cloud, Front, and Messagely, offering diverse features to cater to different business needs. In wrapping up, we find that choosing between Tidio and Intercom depends on specific business needs. Intercom is known for its professional features and solid support, while Tidio stands out with a slightly higher user rating. It focuses on scalability, offering a free live chat app with advanced features for support teams. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to sign up for your preferred communication tool, and be sure to subscribe for more easy internet tips. Thank you.